It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, the Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakob right here, and in today's video, we are going to learn step by step on how to disable audio file or how you can remove audio file from your video clip on Camtasia video editing software. Step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So each time I post content about Camtasia video editing software to it, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to mute audio file or how you can disable audio file from your video clip using Camtasia video editing software. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to disable audio file or how you can restore your audio file on Camtasia step-by-step tutorial. So there are many ways to do this. I'm going to show you step by step. You can decide to disable audio file of all video clip. So like for instance, this video file right here, it has audio and video file embedded all together. For me to disable the audio file of this video clip on a timeline, so what I'm going to do is to make sure the timeline is active. Then I right click on the video clip. Then I'll make sure I look for silent audio, or you press Shift plus S on your keyboard. Then the audio become disabled. So by the time you play the video, the audio will not be effect in the video. Okay, let's say we want to restore back the audio. So it's still the same process. What you want to do is to make sure the timeline is active. Right click on it, and then you have to look for restore audio, or you press Shift key plus R. So then the audio will be fully restored back. Okay, so in some cases you may decide to disable some part of the audio file from a video section. So for you to do that, let's for instance we want to disable an audio file from this section here. What we need to do is to make sure the video file is active. Then we press letter S on our keyboard. Then we can decide to play it all along, and then we select it again and make it active. We press letter S also just to cut the segment. Then we can decide to make this particular section audio disabled. So for us to do that, we have to right click on it, on the video element. Then we make sure we look for silent audio. So with that, this is going to give us a mute or disable audio in this section, where the other section will give us enabled audio. So this is how to play around with your audio file and how you can disable or enable or restore your audio file from video file elements in Camtasia step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about Camtasia video editing software tutorial, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.